We have the local Thai SWAT team, the Special Police Tactical Unit, training, self-defense techniques, gun and knife, disarmament techniques with our local Brazilian Jiu-jitsu instructor, Fernando Maccachero. Professor Maccachero hails from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. He's a 4th degree black belt in Brazilian Jiu-jitsu, the highest ranking BJJ practitioner in all of Thailand, possibly Southeast Asia. He's trained Special Forces in Brazil, he's trained Special Forces in the UAE. So we were talking with the new provincial commander of police, and it was decided that it would be a good idea for them to come here on a weekly basis to brush up on their techniques. With the rest of the Tiger Camp, we're pretty much training combat sports and fitness. Now this is to disable or diffuse a potentially very dangerous situation, basically involving a madman with a gun or a knife or someone attempting to harm another individual. So it is not about sport whatsoever. It's far more lethal, it's far more dangerous. Practice makes perfect, and these guys definitely already know a lot of these techniques, but as with anything, you have to freshen up to really be effective. So they're going to be training here every week. They actually probably will be learning some new stuff, because I believe that their regimen is going to change from week to week. Right now they're practicing techniques involving guns and knives, and they're going to be doing some Brazilian Jiu-jitsu, which is probably foreign to them. Professor Maccachero has been a black belt for 16 years. He's a virtual encyclopedia of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. For those people that might not know what Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is, it's basically joint locks, manipulations, chokes, things like that. Arm bars, leg locks, knee locks, and they're also going to be practicing some Muay Baran and some Krabi Kabong, which that'll probably be in several weeks' time. And they might brush up on their Muay Thai skills as well. So.
Catch Beach Club on Surin Beach, Phuket's most fashionable beach club, Phuket's most inventive beach club, Phuket's most talked about parties. If you love fashion, fun, and a joyful lifestyle, fabulous seaside dining, beach barbecues, brunches, exotic sunset cocktails, then you will love Catch Beach Club on Surin Beach. All the elements of an alluring island lifestyle are here.
Mr. Singh's Fashion Gallery, Patong Beach, Phuket, the world's biggest and most exclusive international custom tailor. Call us for a free pickup from your hotel. Latest fashion designs, ready in just 24 hours. Don't waste your precious time looking for small and inexperienced tailors. Mr. Singh's Fashion Gallery. Call us for a free pickup from your hotel on 076 345 037.